we're just outside Port Lincoln on the way into Whalers Bay. It's only a 14-kilometre run, but it's where the old whaling station was. Big, huge cliffs. Absolutely fantastic scenery around here. You might be able to hear the cows and the sheep are talking in the background. Oh, right. Fantastic sand dunes, especially when the sun catches them. Looking back at Lincoln National Park over the other side of the bay, that's where we were yesterday. Down past the alpacas and the sheep in the paddocks.
Just doing a picture showing into the water now that the sun's come out from behind the cloud again. Show you how clear the water is. We've just come through the gate, and just inside there's some old whale bones here and an old cauldron. Guess for boiling up the blubber.
This is a blubber pot, yeah?
Yeah, blubber pot. It's got a flat side on it, so it can lay down, I guess, and empty out.
Oh, so that they can tip it easily.
Yeah.
Look at the size of the bones.
Unfortunately, the sun's gone now behind a cloud, but we're on the other side from where the last video was taken, on the other side of that bay, and probably directly across now where we were probably standing during the video before. We'll just come around the other side. There's a lock gate over here. We have a key to it. You can pay $10 for a key for the day, and you get it back at the end of the day. So there's a walkway down to the beach, which I'll show you in a second. Down here. we've come in here to see the fur seals and we can only find one, so I don't know how well we're going to get him to come up on this, but I'm going to give it a shot. He's on that little light coloured point there. Whoop, trying to, very hard to hold still. His little black spot there, you can see him in the middle of the photo now. There's some more in the water, but they're pretty hard to see. But a lovely sheltered spot, and you can see how clear the water is down here. We're pretty high up on the cliff, probably a couple hundred feet up. And I've just turned off now and I'll go around to show you the coastline from here too. You can see how clear the water is around this side. There's another island out there. There's some seals swimming in the water down there at the moment. Oh, he's in the photo. I've got him in the photo at the moment. Yep.
There's two actually, there's one too.
Yep. Well, actually, those are. We're here at a place called Red Banks, and just stop to have a sticky. Probably see why they call it Red Banks here.
We're at Carnot Point, right on the tip below Fort Lincoln, looking out basically to Antarctica. Really rugged coastline, but so scenic. There's a rock pool down here, but it says don't go any further than I'm standing. 4 lives have been lost on these cliffs.